Today it's all about Cosori's high-speed personal blender. This is model C011-PB. It holds a max capacity of 24 ounces, is powered by 120 volts of electricity, and when assembled has a height of 15 inches and a width of about 4 inches, leaving enough space on your counter to store whatever you want. This blender is also really sturdy. It comes with suction cup feet that hold it in place. I thought that was an interesting feature. In the box that the blender comes in, we have a user manual, we have a recipe book loaded with a lot of recipes, all delicious, and we have a bonus 1-year warranty card. And also inside the box, when you unbox it, you get two 24-ounce containers, one 12-ounce container, the blade assembly, the blender base itself, storage lid, and a travel lid. You heard me right, this comes with two different types of lids. To assemble the blender, you basically just attach whatever container size you want to the blade assembly and then attach both of that to the blender base itself. There's a clicking sound and then there's a ring when you click it in place to tell you that it's assembled quite right. To demonstrate how powerful and useful this blender can be, we're making a recipe from the recipe book called the Morning Energy Blast. A quick trip to the grocery store and you're set for this. So basically you just chop everything into bits and pieces, put it in whatever container you choose. I went with a 24-ounce container, and you assemble it as I showed you previously. Wait to hear that clicking sound so you know that everything is secured in place. Whilst I've got your attention, please subscribe, like, leave a comment, share, and if you'd like to pick this blender up, there's a link in the description right now. I think they're on sale, so that's really cool. So basically we're going to blend this for about 30 seconds, and once we're done we can transfer it to whatever container we want. It could be a cup, it could be a bottle. Some people like to take their shakes for a jog or something like that. I used the 11-ounce container just because I liked it, and I really wanted to showcase like the way it's the aesthetic of it, and I thought it was really cool. Thank you so much guys for watching, I appreciate it. Remember to screw in your lid tightly. I had an accident when I was trying to do it earlier. That did not work out right. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out again.